Well, let's go this side. Clean, clean. That was a little much, but we good, we good, we good. Also could be good config, but we couldn't see if there's nobody rolling. Those reflections, man, they sometimes get you. Ah, I forgot that there is this light. And there is police again, man, they are a lot. Shit. Basically every other car, man. Take it easy, take it easy. I don't know why this year they are so active. And what did I tell you? What have happened here? -2, -2. Shit. Shit. We ain't gonna go just straight. What is this slippery road? That was nice setup. I would like to repeat that. Somebody has already been rolling here. We don't know how it goes. Ah, it's very long. Yeah, the first time fucking rolling. It is what it is, man, come on. Yeah, we have already in the ready new LED bar, so need to install that very soon. That should improve the visibility in night very much, like say no tomorrow. Stop a little bit. This is pure joy, man. Check out the mirror. Damn, this is pure excellence. Nicely done, nicely done. But at least better than first time, man. Yellow Hummer and scooter, brother. Damn, man. What? You can't go here? What the hell is this bullshit? What the hell? My bad, man, my bad. Damn. Come on. Very good, very nice. Ops, fucking hell. Woo! Come on, we saved it. Damn. The legs are so light now, man. Holy shit. Everything went from down to top. Ah. Even got some snow in the eye. Yeah. When the mistakes start to happen, then you know you need to chill down. Yeah, this is perfectly snowy bit.